Hey everyone, it's Nolan with Premier Automotive Source LLC in Jacksonville, Florida. You can find us on the web at premierautosource.com. You've got a super clean 2009 Toyota Tacoma XSP, right at 63,000 miles. So super clean Florida truck, 2-owner history, clean Carfax, no accidents, dealer serviced. Brand new Falken AT4 tires. It's had brakes recently. Just had a oil service at the dealership. It's a set of TRD Pro wheels. Super clean inside and out. Air works great. On our website, premierautosource.com, we have a link to the free Carfax, a link to some financing. A lot of photos of this truck inside and out as well as underneath. Just a really nice truck. Comes with both keys, books, set of rubber Toyota mats. Remember also, we have no dealer fees. No extra fees, no gotcha fees. It's just the price of the truck. Your local and state sales tax, title registration and title tag fees with the state of Florida. If you're a Florida resident, we register the truck for you. We're a licensed and bonded dealer in the state of Florida. We take care of that for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can call or text 904-382-7230. Thank you for taking the time to look. We appreciate it. Have a great day.